Welcome back to another video. Today we got a US General bigger, strong, and built your way. So basically this video is about the toolboxes and the different coupons that they have currently. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Let's make this a quick one. Huge garage and shop super sale, US General. Looks like we got blue, green, and orange with black. Different configurations. You can mix and match pretty much like this. If you want to do it like this, any of these colors are available. Any of these accessories are available in all different colors. You got the 56-inch here. It's a nice with two lockers in the ends. And then you got the 56-inch, two 56-inch. And with different lockers, you can tie them up together, make a big, huge box. Or you can just get a 44-incher and put two lockers, or a 72-inch and put a locker on one side, a small box here on the top, and then you got some workspace here in the top, which is a great configuration there. We got 38-inch 5-drawer mechanics carts for $199.99. I do have another video where they have the white one, so just keep that in mind. If you need the coupon for the white one, then watch my other video. This one we got a 26-inch by 22 single bank. So this is a real nice compact toolbox or tool cart, whatever you want to call it. Those have wheels. $299.99. Usually on these, on the parking lot sales, we'll get this for like $249. So just to let you guys know, if you guys need one real quick, if you guys have a shop, you guys need one desperately, definitely not a bad buy at $300. But if you can wait, if you're just a DIY, if you want to just wait for that price, definitely will wait on the parking lot sale for these to go on lower. 44 by 22 double bank extra deep cabinets for $49.99. 56-inch by 22, $699.99. And feel free to screenshot any of these or take a picture of any of these coupons. 72 by 22 triple bank. So this is the big one. This is a 72-inch. Definitely a great box for $1,000. It's well worth it. It does have a big drawer on the top, as you can see right here, and several deep drawers on the bottom. Got the Daytona. Pretty much these jacks are solid. Definitely recommend all these jacks for you guys. Parking lot sales usually the best deals you could get, so definitely wait for a parking lot sale. Some of these run from $90, $100. So let's just let you guys know. But they do have 3 colors on each different type of jack. Except for this one. This one's always in yellow. This one usually runs for, it tells you right here, see? $20 off any Daytona floor jack. So right there they're giving you the coupon for this. So $20 off any of this. So this will be $109 basically, $99, $129.99, and so forth. Or $109, $129, or $119. My bad, $119, $179, and so forth. Anyways, you got 8-inch professional automotive scanner, $1,000, basically just under $1,000. If you're a professional, definitely recommend this tool, but do your research. If you're investing $1,000, make sure that's the one you want. Make sure it has all the features you need. Because there's rumors out there that this thing does not have some of the features that the like the Snap-on or the Altel. But it has most of them. Like it'll do the job, you know. But I believe there was an issue with the printer. I don't know if they fixed that or not, that you cannot print out of this thing. But it just depends on. Make sure you do your research. Read all the comments. Read all the reviews and stuff like that. Make sure watching some videos on YouTube. These are great for the DIY, the starter at home. You get all the coats that you need to get off the vehicle. There is a cheaper version of this. There's like a new one for like $39.99. So just again, just watch the watch the reviews, and don't expect these to do what this one does. It's pretty much self-explanatory there. Let's see here if I haven't used any of these items. I used this item here. It works pretty good. Definitely a good price there for $24.99. I bought it for $30, so definitely for $24.99 it's well worth it. I do have this item. Works pretty good. It starts the vehicle up, no problem. I do have a video where I'm starting a V8 with this vehicle, no battery. I do have that on my channel, so check it out. Just put Viking jump starter tool head 147 and it'll come up. I do have the 5,000 watt inverter generator, or the inverter, or the power inverter. Works pretty good. Usually something like this will pretty much be good for your power tools and drills and stuff like that. Don't expect this thing to just run and a big AC or a big compressor. Maybe the smaller ones it will. This is great too. Great item here. 3-ton heavy duty jack stands. These jack stands, I was looking for some jack stands a few months back. I could not find something cheaper than $25-30. So definitely at $18.99, it's well worth the item. Definitely a good item to get. This is a great item here. I do have it. As a matter of fact, I have it beside me here. I couldn't tell you how many times I used this light. I use it for work. I used it for inspections. Of course, now it's too ugly to take to work. I probably have to go buy a new one. But it has paint all over, and I'd use it for drains and cleaning drains and all that. If you guys followed my channel, you guys seen all that. Where I used this. Used to be $19.99. Now they raised the price $24.99 because it's a good quality flashlight there. It's real bright. And it is rechargeable. You can't go wrong with the click type torque wrench. Pretty much if you're doing a tire rotation, that's great for that. If you're building engines, if you're building delicate stuff, I would not use on delicate stuff. But for putting a tire on, 100 pounds is 100 pounds. It's not gonna hurt her, or if you're a couple pounds off. These are great. I do have them. Work great. Have them forever. So used to fuel them a lot, and still in one piece. I use these gloves to do my oil changes, my brake jobs. Definitely a great glove there. Recommend that for you guys. For you mechanics, this is a must-have tools. Especially if you're running a shop. If you're in a shop, use this thing. If you don't want to spend so much on Snap-on, definitely a great tool there. Same thing with these. These are great. Recommend all these tools. Anything that's Earthquake brand, it's a great brand. Alright. These are great hoses. Definitely recommend these hoses. These Diablo hoses are real good items. It says see what's new. Let's see here. Universal roof crossbars, set of 2, $59.99. And then you got the tool creeper. Oh, this is for your tools. 30-pound capacity mounted plates. Magnetic accessories, $69. I haven't seen this before. 1-ton manual chain hoist or hoist. It's another $100. $100 for a 3/4 ton lever and chain hoist. Nice, interesting. Gotta look at reviews and see what's good on these. They look pretty decent. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one.